Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. We're going to be talking about the Bitcoin weekly close, and I'm also going to talk to you about something I just bought. Yeah, we did. We aped in. So I'll talk to you about that. Could it be the next Shiba Inu? Could we get that massive pump? I don't know. I'm all about taking a little bit more risk this cycle. So we'll talk about that. And yesterday, just to recap, we did a live stream talking about BlackRock buying up a lot of the Bitcoin, reaching out to the OTC desk to meet the demand for the Bitcoin spot ETF. And I'm excited about that to an extent because that means my bags are going to pump. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to cover Bitcoin, all that stuff. But that's what we talked about yesterday. But while I was making that video, I always do a little bit of prep because, you know, my mind is always in 1,100,000 places. And, you know, it's okay. One of the things in crypto in 2024 is it's okay to ask questions and it's okay to not be the most tech savvy. And I want to remind you guys that is okay. If you're not the most tech savvy, that is 100% okay. And the reason why it's okay is you're not expected to know everything all the time. And sometimes I need to brush up on stuff too. Even though I live and breathe this stuff, I'm not a miner. I'm not somebody that's super technical when it comes to Bitcoin or crypto. And that's okay. Like as far as the technicals work, that's something that's a little challenging for me and that's okay. But I found this really cool website I wanted to share with you guys. There's a bunch of different Bitcoin halvening clocks that you can take a look at, but I really like this one a lot. And I'll go ahead and I'll drop it in the chat for those that want to kind of follow the Bitcoin halvening, because I do think that, you know, we're gonna see a lot of crazy price action happen. We're gonna see it. But this clock is actually really cool. And one of the things that I like about it is it breaks down the complex information about the Bitcoin halvening super, super simply. Okay. And again, the estimated, again, the estimated halving date is April 17th. It is a moving date because it depends on the productivity of the miners, etc. So right now we are expected to see the Bitcoin halvening occur April 17th, 2024. This is a fun day. We like to celebrate these days, chill, eat pizza, watch it because it's fun. It's exciting. So basically, this website will pretty much tell you everything. What's the significance of the Bitcoin block halvening, some of the largest runs. And then it gives you, if you go down here, it talks about the 2012 halvening, 2016, 2020, all of these different dates. So I think it's really cool if this is something you're interested in. If you're one of those people that's like me, you're not like the most tech savvy, but you understand the basics and you need a little bit of refreshing. This is a great website, great resource. They're not paying me. I just like to share resources with you guys when I find them. So I thought that was super cool. But anyways, let's take a look at crypto bubbles. So Wild, WLD is up 31.5%, GRT 19.1%, RON, everything is up. Everything is literally pumping. Everything is pumping. The website for those of you who are asking, it is called Buy Bitcoin worldwide.havcom. Go ahead, you could head over to my YouTube. You guys will have to do that. But anyways, everything is pumping, everything is up. And I feel like a lot of people are very, very excited about the upcoming Bitcoin halvening because again, this is ibit, this is BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF. These things do not trade. They do not trade on the weekends. So if you're somebody who is savvy enough to buy Bitcoin, to utilize cold storage, those types of things, I think that might be a better option than getting the Bitcoin spot ETF because you're essentially able to front run these guys. Okay. So, one of the places that I think is a great place to start buying Bitcoin, if that's something you're interested in, is Coinbase. We are partnered with them and I am going to shield the ref link in the chat. Why? Because I said so. So if you guys want to use my ref link, great. If not, that's totally fine. But again, you can actually Ledger announced through Coinbase Pay. They're going to have an integration where you can use Coinbase Pay directly through Ledger Live, and you could actually put your you can go ahead and put your Bitcoin on your ledger that way to keep it safe. Shouldn't be leaving it on exchanges unless you're actively trading. But at the same time, if you're not somebody who is well-versed in trading, you might just want to hold on to your Bitcoin now. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's happened with Bitcoin. I'm gonna let you know what coin I got that we got it yesterday and why I think it's going to do well. So we'll talk about that in a minute. And again, it's got some, okay. Wendy, hush, hush, hush. Okay, so this is going to be the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Let's go ahead and start on the weekly. Go ahead and reset the chart. This is where we're at. And I always like to zoom out, taking a look at Bitcoin. I always love to zoom out. And the reason why I want to zoom out is you can really see that beautiful price action over there, okay? And if you take a look, if you take a look at the weekly, this weekly candle, this is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The fact that we've launched up so high above the swing wick high that occurred the week of January 8th at about $49,000, and we're currently trading close to about $52,000. This is insanely bullish. This stack of the EMAs, I absolutely love. I absolutely love. Will we see Bitcoin all-time break the all-time high of 69,000 this year? I feel confident that we will. Are we going to shoot straight up to like that 250,000, 100,000 Bitcoin? I don't think so. But who knows? You never know, especially because we have the supply crunch now. We don't have a whole lot of Bitcoin on the market. BlackRock and the other Bitcoin spot ETF provider people, they need to acquire as much as possible to meet the demands of their customers. So supply and demand, that whole fun thing. But anyways, taking a look at the weekly, we opened at about 48.3 and we got a swing wick high to 52.7, and we're currently trading about 51.8. So this is incredibly bullish, and this is going to be a new range for us, which, yay, that's exciting. That's fun. And if you look at previous price action that we saw with Bitcoin, we don't really have a whole lot of price action in this range. Too terribly much. Well, we kind of do. Let's go ahead and zoom in and see. Taking a look at our indicators, we've got market CIPHER and we got MACD. Those look strong. Those look bullish. And then taking a look at the daily, of course, we hit a little bit of resistance here. Market CIPHER did print a red dot. MACD does look like it wants to bear cross and head down, and that's okay. Totally okay. Even if we got a full retrace down to 48,000, I would be happy with this. But again, taking a look at the daily, since we had that massive move up from Tuesday, the 6th of February, we've been retesting the EMA 9. So I would watch for a potential pullback back down to $50,000. Okay. Now taking a look at the 12-hour chart, 12-hour chart is also showing a bit of a correction. And then the 4-hour chart just kind of going sideways. So again, we've got great support at 48.4 and the 4 hours suggesting a little bit more consolidation here. So as far as what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin, this next week, I kind of want to see where we close today. Obviously, we have some time. We're going to be closing in about 6 hours. And again, just as long as we stay above that $48,000 area, I'm bullish. Of course, I would love to see some more consolidation in this range between 48.3 and about 52. To really kind of reclaim this area. And then obviously once we shoot up above 53,000, then things are going to get pretty exciting because we've got a lot of area. We have an area here about 58, here 60,000, and then 65,000, and then completely send it. Now you guys go ahead and smash a like. That helps me help support the channel. Also too, we are also partnered with CoinCatch. CoinCatch is an exchange that you can do all different types of things. They have proof of reserves. Also too, they've got a lot of different altcoins. So take a look at that, and they don't have KYC. So that definitely helps a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in the chat. When you use my ref link, that supports me and the channel, and that goes to payroll. So if you want to support me in the O Show, either smash a like, use a ref link, but please understand, not your keys, not your coins with any of these exchanges. And the only time you actually want to be leaving crypto on any exchange is if you're actively trading. If you're not somebody who's actively trading, you have no business leaving crypto on exchanges. But use CoinCatch, have fun, do what you got to do. They've got a lot of different altcoins, etc. But let's go ahead and talk about what we bought yesterday. And again, I'm invested. So quick preface as to why we bought it. I'm also partnered with SQUIDGROW, and I've been helping them do a couple things. So they put this tweet out on January 26, 2024. Basically, they are excited. We're excited that SQUIDGROW is going to be integrating the powerful utilities into the brand new ryoshi Layer 2 network. And if you guys want to learn more about Nox Locker and Incubate and SGS, I highly recommend you take a look. So basically, when we talk about SGS, it is the DEX. So you can go ahead and use a DEX, which we love decentralized exchanges as opposed to centralized exchanges. But at the same time, you have to know how to custody your coins. Incubate, that is the SQUIDGROW NFT marketplace, and Nox Locker, which is a liquidity locker, okay? So ryoshi, it is an L2 EVM that is built with Polygon CDK and offering scalability, stability, and low cost for Shiba Inu utility. So this is a Shiba Inu related project. Shiba Inu did insanely well last cycle. Okay. It went absolutely bonkers. Okay. So with that being said, it says over here, With the customized gas token and a portion of SHIB fees being burned, ryoshi is paving the way for Polygon CDK ecosystem. I'm also invested in Matic Polygon as well. So this just made sense for us to go ahead, kind of hop in about. As always, you guys, anytime I get into something, we make moon bags, we take profit, and we just rinse and repeat and keep on going. And that's what we do with a lot of the projects that we invest in, etc. But again, I think that this is really, really cool. It did successfully launch. It successfully launched yesterday. So again, it's got a lot of the things that we're kind of looking for over here. A lot of the things. And again, I've got some SQUIDGROW. We've got Polygon, and we got ryoshi now. And then also to ShibToshi went ahead and tweeted this, looking forward to providing utilities for this blockchain. So that's awesome. And that makes me really excited because with SQUIDGROW, they actually are looking at utilities, which is important. So we went ahead and decided to get into this. Really quickly, I do want to take a look at SHIB. The reason why I want to take a look at SHIB, I want to kind of see something over here. We'll pull in the Binance chart over here. So this is SHIB over here, and this thing pumped insane. And if you were on TikTok, a lot of my TikTokers, you guys rode this pump as well. Okay, I missed it. I actually threw in a couple $100 into SHIB, like at the end, not at the end, but like during this insane time. And I wish I would have threw in more and made a little bit more money, but I had to buy some SHIB to go ahead and prove a point to the TikTokers. Okay. So this thing actually pumped like crazy. This is the weekly chart for it. I'm not saying ryoshi is going to do the same thing. I hope it does. But at the same time, there's a lot of utility and there's a lot of things going on with Shiba. Apparently it's not just a meme coin anymore. So this is what price did, and even though prices retraced quite a bit, again, that we're still in the early stages of the bull market. But taking a look at the daily, I don't know if we're going to get any kind of crazy price action here. No. So I don't know, just short-term stuff. But really, I'm hoping to I want to catch a massive pump. Like I want a couple wins this cycle to where I can get something that moves like this. Okay, that's what I want. Because with Bitcoin, we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, and again, do what works for you and your families. Do what works for you and your families. If you don't like meme coins, you don't have to get meme coins. But with Bitcoin, like realistically, I think that we will definitely see $100,000 this cycle. But what type of gain is that going to be? So up to $100,000, it's going to be 100% pump. I want like a 10, 20 times pump. So that's why I do take a little bit of liquidity and I do put it into alts. But again, you guys, this show is just for entertainment. It is not financial advice. So there's that's important to note. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, Matic just jumped. Let's go ahead and take a look at Matic. Papa coin on Solana, XOR. Shout out to SQUIDGROW. Somebody said Solana. We'll take a look at Solana and Matic. But again, you guys, I'm trying to catch some of these pumps. And we got to respect the pump. So somebody said, let's take a look at Matic really quick. Where's my Matic chart? And guess what I'm eating for breakfast? I'm going to eat a cheeseburger for breakfast. Why am I going to eat a cheeseburger for breakfast? Because I woke up craving one. Where the heck is my Matic? Oh, here it is. Matic is up too. Wow. Yes, my moon bags are so happy. And this is why we make moon bags. Okay. So Matic is up. This is a weekly candle too. I actually want to zoom in and see what we had going on over here. Okay. I said we got to follow this trend line. We did get that breakdown over here, end of January the 23rd, but we're running back up. And again, when you see, especially in the bull run, this is why I love to use EMAs. The reason why I like to use EMAs is pretty clear to see what type of, how the market is trending. And when you get those EMAs stacked really beautifully, like Bitcoin has over here, see, look at this. That's bullish. That is a very, very bullish setup, in my personal opinion. So with Matic, we're kind of doing the same thing, but I want to see this EMA tangle kind of remove itself and just kind of be stacked exactly like how Bitcoin is. Like you can clearly see 9, 21, 30, 50, 100, 200. Okay. And this is just what I use for trading and buying the dips and stuff. So now with that being said, we are up with Matic. Matic doesn't look like she's going to be stopping anytime soon. Taking a look at the indicators, we're looking good over here. The 4-hour chart is trading nicely again with Matic on the 4-hour chart. That's where you want to look for the pullbacks. Since we've had this, I guess, really this move up over here, Tuesday, the 13th of February, we've been retesting almost the EMA 30. So even if we get a pullback to 91 cents, I'm still bullish in my opinion. As far as Solana goes, As far as Solana goes, we retested, this is the 4 hour, we retested the EMA 100 and we're up, and it looks like we're going to be running up to about 116. Again, with Solana, I'm bullish long term. We've got a decent moon bag of that now. One of the positions I have, I do need to make into a moon bag. I haven't done that, but I did get in, I believe, at $60, so we're good right now. But taking a look at the daily's okay. The EMA 9 is a bit flat over here, so it does look like we may have some volatility in this range between 116 and about 105. So yeah, 105. And also to you guys, when you are getting into with these, ryoshi did 28 times on launch, then retrace, and I'm holding nice now, accumulating for the real pump. Yeah, we love Told. And shout out to Caspa. A lot of people like Caspa. We'll go ahead and we'll take a look. Okay. And also too, with a lot of the new tokens, I'm going to show you all something. So just be patient with me. This is Caspa. I don't have any. We don't have any. This is the weekly. This is on MEXC. Taking a look at the daily really quickly. Daily's looking okay. Are we in price discovery? But I don't think this is the correct chart. Okay, hold on. We'll go to Binance. Binance generally has more price. No? Okay. Yeah, it looks like Caspa's in price discovery. I think so. Can you explain staking Bitcoin in layman terms? You can't really stake Bitcoin. You can mine it, but if you want to stake it on like using a layer 2 or wrapping Bitcoin or on a centralized exchange, you can. But I don't think that's a good idea. I don't think it's a good idea to leave crypto on an exchange unless it's a moon bag. Moon bags are fine if you can take the risk. So Caspa is pumping. As far as the total market cap goes, we are at 1.9, almost at 9. Also to you guys really quickly, to pay, like, and I'm just going to use ryoshi for example, with a lot of these new coins that are being put out onto the market, the memes, etc., you're going to have to pay attention to the contract address, because there's going to be so many derivatives of this stuff. So it's always important to go to the official socials and then find out where they put the where they put the contract address, etc. So here, if you go to ryoshi, you'll have ryoshi research. You can go ahead and click that, and it should give you the contract address here. Also, what you can do, you can go ahead and go to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap will give you the same information. So if you go to Solana and you click on it, for example, you can see over here that it's got all, some of the top exchanges is listed on, and then it'll go ahead and give you the website and the socials over here. And the same thing for SQUIDGROW too. Like if we type in SQUIDGROW, see, it's hard to find this stuff. You gotta be careful. So this is SQUIDGROW over here. I'll go ahead and take a look. Go ahead and pull that up, and it'll give you the contract addresses and everything. Okay, I'll give you the exchanges it's on. I'm gonna give you the website, the white paper, the GitHub, the Twitter, Reddit, Discord, Telegram. And the thing what makes it so important to be able to find the correct contract address is you want to make sure that you're not using the incorrect contract address, because you're going to get wrecked that way. There's a lot of rugs and scams, etc. So make sure you check CoinMarketCap, check the official socials, join the Discords and Telegrams, and ask questions. So be safe. But anyways, guys, I'm going to get going because my cheeseburger is here. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Not financial advice. This is entertainment. This is just me journaling my trades and what we're doing and when I get wrecked, etc. So sending you all love and light. Have a great Sunday. Lo has got another performance I got to get to, and I got to eat my cheeseburger. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye. Bye, baby.